In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use exact function in Excel. Exact function is categorized under Excel text functions. The function helps to test if two or more than two supplied text strings or values are exactly equal, and if so, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So this formula helps us to compare if the data in a given range of cells are exactly equal, it returns true, and if the data or values in a given range are different, so it returns false. For example, this one 50 is not equal to 40, so it returns false. This one 98 is equal to 98 in this cell, so the answer is true. Let us see how to do it. Start with the equal sign, then exact. It is very simple formula, exact. Then this one I want to compare this cell and this one, this comma, this. So I want to compare or to see if the data or value in H2 and the data in I2 are equal. So if data in H2 and I2 are equal, it returns true, and otherwise it returns false. So if it's not equal, the answer will be false. After that, drag the formula to other cells. Yes, now you can compare 50 and 40 are not equal, so the answer is false. 80 and 98 are equal, so the answer is true. So you can, this one is false. Also, if we change this one, the answer is false. So this is how you can use the exact function. This function is more important because it can help you to identify which lengths of which cells are different from others, or which cell have different information from other cells. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get the more important videos. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.